H for the albatross, soaring high. B is for the bluebird, painting the sky. C is for the canary, singing so sweet. D is for the duckling, paddling its feet. E is for the eagle, mighty and grand. S for the finch, hopping on land. G is for the goose, flying in a V. H is for the hummingbird, buzzing with glee. I is for the ibis, with his long beak. J is for the jay, with feathers sleek. K is for the kingfisher, diving with grace. L is for the lark, singing in space. O, A, B, C, flying with a grace so free. Learning all letters with nature's melody. From A to Z, in the sky we'll see birds teaching us the ABC. N is for the magpie, shiny and bright. N is for the nightingale, singing in the night. O is for the owl, wise and serene. P is for the penguin, wanted on ice so clean. Q is for the quail, with nine refrain. R is for the robin, known by its name. S for the seagull, gliding by the sea. T is for the toucan, colorful and free. U is for the upward bow, with its fancy crest. V is for the vulture, soaring at its best. H for the woodpecker, tapping on a tree. X is for the sea knot, in the forest so free. Y is for the yellow hammer, bright as the sun. Z is for the zebra finch, having fun.